Hello and welcome to Medy Wellness YouTube channel. Today we will be preparing marinated battered deep fried fish fillet. The first step will be marinating the fish fillet. As for the ingredients we will need: fish fillet, onions, garlic, fish masala, curry powder, paprika, cinnamon, black pepper, soy sauce, salt, and cooking oil. Now let's start preparing. Cut the fish fillet to smaller pieces. Chop the onions and place them in a bowl. Add in fish masala. Add in black pepper. Pour in salt. Add in cinnamon. Add curry powder. Add paprika. Add soy sauce. Add cooking oil. Stir to mix the spices. Add in garlic. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Place the fish in the spices bowl. Cover thoroughly the fish with spices. Transfer the spicy fish pieces to a bowl. Cover with a cling film. Place them in a refrigerator to marinate. Now let's go to the cooking part. Heat oil in a pan. Pour flour to a bowl and another plate. Sprinkle some salt to the flour. Grate the lemon, cover into the bowl. Add warm water and stir to mix. Squeeze in the lemon juice. Add more water and stir to mix. Crack in an egg and stir to mix. Take the fish from the fridge. Fish marinates quickly in an hour or so. Cover the marinated fish pieces with flour. Take the pieces to the flour paste. Dip the pieces to cooking oil. Reduce the heat. Flip over when the bottom brown. Remember, fish cooks fast in 5 minutes or so. It is ready. Serve as desired. Thank you very much for watching. Medy Wellness cares for you and your family. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.